Are you a Realme user? If you are, then this video is specially for you. Because in this video I am going to talk about a very important topic. Nowadays, so many Realme users are facing battery backup problem after updating Android UI version 10. So in this video I am going to particularly talk about how you can solve this battery backup problem. So let's get it started. First of all, you have to uninstall the official Facebook app. Now, long press on the official Facebook app and uninstall it. Okay, uninstall. After uninstalling the Facebook official app, secondly, you have to enable the dark mode of your Realme handset. Okay, enable dark mode. Then you have to go to settings. Okay, go to settings, then search erase all downloaded apps. Okay, click on it, and here you can see that restore system settings only, erase downloaded apps and their data, erase all data, erase contact and call history stored on this phone, erase SMS and MMS message stored on this phone. Just you have to click on this two number option, and I have already done it. That's why I am not doing it at this moment. You have to do it. Then your phone automatically will shut down. Then open your phone again and don't do any thing, and just wait 15 minutes. Okay, after waiting 15 minutes, you have to set the brightness full. Okay, then start using your beloved Realme phone. And you have to use it until the charge is 0%. When you will finish the charge, the phone will automatically shut down. Then connect to the chargers until it full charge, and then open it and use it. And you have to use dark mode, and you can use battery saving mode if you want. Okay, please don't install any game and play it within 3 days. After 3 days you can play any game. Hope that you will get the battery backup like before. Hope that this video will help you a lot, guys. And so if you like this video, then press on the subscribe button, and if you have already done it, then thank you so much, and I will talk to you in the next one.